Okay, we create an asset and now we will depreciate it and see what other transactions can be done with any uh, code. 7843. Okay, now we will run the depreciation. We've already seen uh, the acquisition. Acquisition value is 280 and planned values are 285. All are planned, not yet posted. These are planned values. Okay. Now we will go for periodic processing, depreciation run, AFAC, execute, 7842 fiscal year 2023, 7 test run, and we will not select any asset. It means we are selecting all the assets. Pretty easy. Uh, execute. Yes, we will just check for test run and see the results. And okay, it is posting 285 and it is having no errors because this is test run. That's why the test run has ended with a red light. Okay, this is the expected posting, which will land in the leading ledger, period 7. Document type is AF, and the GLs are this one. Cost centers are still not maintained, so it is not picking up any cost center. This is depreciation expense, accumulated depreciation buildings. These are the posting keys. Document number is still not yet assigned because this is test run. Okay. Okay. Let's test run, more program, execute in background. Depreciation run is always executed in the background. 1 minute. And um, it's it's processed in the background. So more program execution background. Output device is LP01. Okay. Continue. Immediate. Same background job was scheduled. And to see the background jobs, we go for SM35 or 37. Okay. And for that, more system on jobs. Okay, school is here. We click on this and we have a cube here. Evap list, select it, click it. Ordinary depreciation has been posted without errors. Fixed asset errors in one area, 285. Okay. Let's see. Control Y. Control Y, Control C, FB03. I just want to check the document number. Continue. I continue to post it. And it's already posted. Okay. So SM37, I believe this is where we see the jobs, execute, spool, double click the cube, and we see there is an error. Okay. Although this is posted now, but in at least one area, that area can not be 01. That area can be some other. I'm looking for a log. Update run fix as well at least one area. 2.5 more. Edit. Go to system. So we've already posted the depreciation successfully. This error can be in another depreciation area. Okay. So that's how you run. And if you want to see what is the current update, AW01N. Okay. Posted values. Posted is given over here, 285. And the others are planned and these can be posted in the next runs. Okay. So this will show in the books. This will not show in the books. Okay. Now, continuing with other.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर वो अमाउंट डिफरेंट क्यों आ रही है? एक में 2885 आ रही है, नेक्स्ट में 2884 आ रही है, फिर 28.
So I can transfer the asset to another asset. Depreciation area will be the same. For example, 60 depreciation is 01, 14.7, and this will be 0107 2023. 2-story to 4-story per mall upgrade. Okay. And additional details. Posting period will be up to your discretion when you want it to start depreciating. Partial transfer will be if a part of that asset is posted to the new asset, like one story is complete, so you will post an amount, and then its depreciation will start. Okay, and it is posted as an accounting entry. That asset will be debited, and that very asset will be credited. Okay. Retirement with revenue, retirement by scrapping. Let's scrap this. We don't have a customer. We will sell it without customer. ABA0N is the transaction. 60.01 document date is 14/7. Asset value date is 01/07. Same customer. Okay. Okay. There are two ways this can be asked in the interview. Manual revenue, you sold it for a good amount. You constructed 500,000, or you can say revenue from net book value. Net book value will, of course, consider book depreciation. Okay. Additional details. Posting period 07. Transaction type will be retirement without revenue, retirement with revenue to 10. Okay, to 10, and reference will be like Pearl Mall and Pearl Mall PM 14th July. Partial retirement. If you want to sell a part of your mall, like ground floor to another customer, second floor to another customer, that can be done. Amount posted. Okay. A percentage or based on percentage or based on quantity. Current year acquisition and prior year acquisition, of course, it will bring the uh, balance carried forward in current year. The current balance will be taken into consideration. Post value date not allowed. Okay, value date not allowed. Post asset value. Okay, asset transaction was posted. An accounting principle 1010. Okay, easy. This is very easy. FB03. Okay, asset clearing account asset sale 280. Oh, I should have not net book value, but it should have actually picked up amount because it would have shown the accumulated depreciation plus the clearing account plus the revenue and so on. Anyways, post capitalization. Post capitalization. Post capital. I don't remember why I did this keyword, but anyways. Transfer, we have done acquisition, we've done retirement transfer, and manual value correction, write up, manual depreciation, unplanned depreciation. Unplanned depreciation happens when 1 month of that asset is not posted for some reason. 01 posting date. Amount posted is 5,000 for, like, let's say it's 2885. Okay, missed for June 2023. Posting date. Additional details. Document date will be today 07/2023. Additional details. Posting period 07. Document type is optional. Post, for example, value date cannot be determined. Please enter a date. It's already scrapped. That's why it cannot determine it. 07. Not possible. Value date not allowed. Errors occur for asset because the asset is already scrapped. It is already sold. Okay. That's why it's showing errors. Area selection. If you want to influence it in multiple areas, then we can select it. Okay, and then we can post it. That's how you can post to multiple depreciation areas. This can be asked in your entry. I hope this is clear. Okay. periodic processing, fiscal year change, year-end closing, balance carry forward. 0L is the leading ledger. You can carry out the balance carry forward for um, other ledgers as well. Carry forward to fiscal 2024. Test run, reset central balance carry forward, reset asset account specific balance carry forward, execute, where it will say run the depreciation before closing the year. And I'm just showing you the process right now. As simple as that. Okay. 25 petty cash retained earnings account, reconciliation account, withholding tax. These are your balance carry forward heads. Okay, accumulated depreciation 285. Okay, it was run in July, so that is being carried forward here, and that will go until the asset is zero. This is the account number. Okay, so this is also the transaction for FI and asset accounting. Okay, year-end closing. Year-end closing, leading ledger, double click for Venice Group. All you have to do is change and display, and you will select all the entries. Highest fiscal year will be 2024 and 2023 will be closed from here. Okay, we will reopen if adjustments have to be made. That's it. That's how it is done. Okay. So that was that with assets. Now we are moving towards MM, but first we'll do foreign currency valuation in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.